Hello guys.
Hi.
You also eat takeout today.
Yep, tend to change your flavor today.
Oh,
Wow, now the packaging of takeout is more diverse,
Yes.
much more advanced than before.
yes. In the past, takeout was mostly packed in plastic bowls,
Yes.
but now they are replaced by paper bowls. You see, my like salad, your fried noodles, and this bowl of snacks, they are all in salad bowls.
That's right, the paper bowl is more environmental friendly, and most paper bowls, such as salad bowl, use thicker paper. It feels so good to hold it. Also, there are many choices for the paper material, like white cut paper,
Yeah.
craft paper, and aluminum foil. It looks classy after printing. Obviously, it's the best choice to pack some high-end food.
Yes.
Yes, you can see they have various specifications and shapes, and can be customized according to the characteristics and the needs of different foods. During the epidemic in recent years, the restaurants have been encouraged to eat less and pack more. These salad bowls are the best way for takeout and to go, which are sold well domestically and internationally.
Yes.
Paper bowls and cups are popular paper packaging products in recent years. With the popularization and action of environmental protection, paper bowls and cups gradually replace the previous plastic products. In the wake of our continuous technical innovation, we have made breakthroughs on the basis of traditional circular paper cups and bowls. Paper cups and bowls can be customized into square or rectangular ones, etc. For different applications, customers can select paper cups or bowls with corresponding shapes.